Rising from the peaceful fields between Rye and Winchelsea, Camber Castle stands as a haunting monument to a landscape long lost to the tides of history. Built between 1539 and 1544 by the command of King Henry VIII, this impressive fortress was once a vital guardian of England's southern shores. But why place a coastal fortress so far inland? The truth lies hidden beneath the tranquil pastureland that now surrounds it. 5 centuries ago, these fields formed part of a vibrant tidal bay known as the Camber, a wide, navigable inlet connecting Rye to the English Channel. The castle's strategic position allowed its cannons to oversee and defend the bustling waterways and protect local ports from invasion by rival European powers, notably France and Spain. Designed to resist siege warfare, Camber Castle's unusual clover-shaped layout provided an innovative defensive structure. Thick walls, strong bastions, and a powerful central keep combined to make the fortress a formidable presence along the coast. It was part of Henry VIII's ambitious coastal defense program, created amidst fears of invasion, sparked by religious and political upheaval across Europe. Yet, despite its strength and sophistication, Camber Castle's military importance was short-lived. Nature itself became its greatest adversary. Over decades, the shifting sands and relentless tides filled the Camber Inlet with silt, pushing the shoreline steadily outward. By the late 16th century, the fortress found itself increasingly distant from the sea it was built to defend, eventually becoming completely landlocked and militarily obsolete. Abandoned and forgotten by armies, Camber Castle faced a long period of neglect. But history refused to abandon it entirely. Today, as a protected heritage site and wildlife sanctuary managed by English Heritage and the Sussex Wildlife Trust, the castle is alive once more, though in ways its original builders never imagined. Wildlife flourishes among its ruined ramparts, and visitors wander through history, captivated by tales of battles that never came and seas that have long since vanished. A silent witness to changing landscapes, Camber Castle now invites reflection, exploration, and appreciation for the relentless power of nature and the fleeting ambitions of humanity. As you gaze down from above, imagine this scene. Centuries ago, waves lapping against castle walls, ships sailing gracefully into Rye, soldiers keeping vigilant watch. Today, silence reigns, broken only by the whispers of the wind, echoing through empty halls and ancient stone. Camber Castle remains, a fascinating relic from the past, forever connected to a sea that slipped quietly away.